Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Mercari account using a phone in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Mercari app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right. Make sure to log in to your account. You can log in with your Apple ID or with Google or with Facebook. Next, tap the page icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap settings. It looks like a gear icon. In the settings menu, scroll down to account and tap it. Here you will see an option called delete account. Tap it. Before you can delete your account, Mercari will check for any active listing, pending sales or outstanding payments. Make sure all your items are sold or cancelled and any pending money is collected. After clearing everything, tap delete account again. Mercari will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your account. Tap confirm and that's it. Your Mercari account is now deleted. You will no longer have access to your listing, sales history or account information. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.